Yo! In this quick video, I'm showing you how to create viral AI images for free using Stylar.ai. No skills needed, just vibes and creativity. First, head over to Stylar.ai and simply sign up using your Google account. It's quick and totally free. Once you're in, click on the Text to Image option from the main menu. Now you'll see different styles to choose from. For this tutorial, we're going with Realistic, which gives lifelike results that are perfect for trending content. After selecting the style, you'll see the prompt box where you can type your idea. For example, I'll write, Adolf Hitler taking a selfie with his tribe. Now this is just for fun and creativity, but always be mindful of platform rules when generating content. Once the prompt is in, we hit Generate, and within seconds, the AI starts working. After a short wait, the image is created right in front of us. You can now download the image for free in JPG format, ready to be posted, edited, or shared wherever you like. Now that you've seen how it works, I'm going to show you a few more AI image examples. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your wildest AI prompt in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.